Fork Falls and Swimming Hole Trail starts at the end of the North Fork Campground. From I-80, take the Emigrant Gap Exit. Emigrant Gap Texas Hill Road is a narrow road that hugs the curves of the mountainside and traverses through gorgeous tall trees, scenic viewpoints, and across 2 bridges. While the distance is only about 6.5 miles, it takes nearly 20 minutes to reach the North Fork Campground. If you do not have reservations, you must park along the road and walk in. The trail starts at the south end of the campground between campsites 9 and 10.